Hi viewers, how are you? I hope you all are well. Welcome back to another amazing channel, Types of Loan in USA. Today's topic is going to be very interesting for you. Watch the video completely and follow it. It's so that you can understand it completely. So let's discuss about today's topic. What is our topic today? As you might have seen in the title of the video, what is our topic today? So before starting the video, I have a request to you that if you have come to my channel Types of Loan in USA for the first time, then subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that all my upcoming videos in future can reach you. So let's start. What is our topic today? Our topic today is different types of loan in USA. In this video we are discuss the recreational type of loan. How long can you finance for? RV loans repayment terms can vary widely depending on the loans amounts. They can last as little as 1 year or long as 20 years. For example, if you buy $2 lakh RV, you may qualify for a 10-year terms. But if you buy $3,000, your terms may be much shorter. Try to shop around with different lenders to find the ideal repayment term for your financial circumstance. What is an RV loans? An RV loans is a type of financing that consumers can use to purchase recreational vehicles. RV loans are typically secured by RV being purchased, and they usually have a fixed interest rate and a fixed term. Available loans amount depend on several factors including the borrower's income, employment history, credit profiles, and the value of the RV. In general, though, RV loans may be available up to between $50,000 and $4 lakh depending on the lenders. How do RV loans work? As with other types of vehicles loan, prospective borrowers can apply for loans before shopping for an RV or after they have selected a vehicle. Once an application is submitted, the lender approves or denies the loan based on the borrower's creditworthiness and other relevant factors. If the borrower is improved, they can take a pre-approval letter to the dealership and use it negotiate for the best possible price. When the purchase agreement is signed, the lenders finalized financing and disburses the funds. Because RV loans are terms loans, the borrower makes monthly repayments until the RV is paid off. RV loans are generally secured by the vehicles being purchased, which the lenders can repossess if you default. So the type of financing has lower interest rate and than other type of loans such as personal loans or credit card. However, rates are often higher than for other vehicles and repayments terms are longer, anywhere from 12 to 240 months depending on the lenders. How to get an RV loans? Calculate your budgets and save for the down payments. Before you start shopping for an RV, determines how much you can afford each month in loan payments. Also saving for down payments usually between 10% and 20% of the purchase price. The size of your down payments can affect the interest rate you qualify for, so save up as such money as possible before applying. Start shopping. Once you know how much you can afford to pay for an RV, start shopping for the best ideal on a rig that meets your needs. Keep in mind that some lenders only finance vehicles purchased from our dealers and many do not finance older models. Research and compare lenders. When you are ready to make purchase, research banks, credit unions, and online lenders to find the most competitive rates and terms, including financial institutions that specialized in RV loans. If you have already picked out an RV, ask the dealers about financing option and including this in your comparison. Where possible, pre-qualify so you know how much earlier lenders is like to extend at what Great. I hope you understand my topic today. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you next in the video. Take care of yourself. Bye.